The hematoxicology approach sees disease as the result of the body's attempt to heal itself by ridding itself of toxins which are either created within the body as a result of cellular functions, endogenous, or are taken in through the chemicals one is exposed to in the outer environment, exogenous. Any agent, whether physical, chemical, or microbial, that adversely modifies or damages a balanced biological system is considered a toxin. Toxins may enter the body from the external environment, microbes, viruses, fungi, environmental, chemicals, etc., through the gastrointestinal system by ingestion, through the respiratory system by inhalation, and through the skin by passive absorption or by injection. Chemical compounds are currently spread all over the world, due to spread via the groundwater, surface rain, and winds. Bioaccumulation of these compounds cause disease in all living beings by disrupting the immune system, the endocrine system, and neurological system. Toxins may also originate within the body itself, endogenous toxins, as byproducts of physiological metabolism, bilirubin, creatinine, lactic acid, etc., or as metabolites under abnormal metabolic conditions such as excess production/degradations of neurotransmitters and hormones, cortisol, adrenaline, etc., excess free radical formation, etc. According to hematoxicology, toxins could be classified as exogenous toxins such as air pollution, chemicals in food, lead, mercury, arsenic, insecticides, etc., microbes, viruses, fungi, and electromagnetic output from appliances, the toxicity of which is dose-related. Endogenous toxins such as toxins produced during the cell metabolism which cannot be expelled because of enzymatic damage, and mental or emotional toxins which produce metabolic conditions sue as excess production/degradations of neurotransmitters and hormones. Iatrogenic toxins or pharmaceutical toxins, pharmaceutical drugs. Zootoxins or toxins from pork which, being closely related to human flesh, are difficult to metabolize. Viruses and toxins contained in the pork are easily ingested and absorbed. The main organs of detoxification are the liver and gallbladder, the kidneys, the extracellular matrix, an organ that comprises the layers of tissue between the cells, and the regulatory organs, the lymphatic system, the bowels, and the skin. It should be clear from the above that toxins stored in the body and not eliminated will be detrimental for various reasons and can have a wide range of effects such as fatigue, cognitive deficit, obesity, asthma, allergies, autoimmunity, cancers, to name a few. We can easily say that the ability to detoxify and eliminate toxins is equivalent to the maintenance of health in an organism. Even more important to remember is that without a proper detoxified matrix, due to the toxic overload, any treatment one undertakes will be much less effective, if at all. That's why it is so important to detoxify and drain the organism, and this is done by stopping the external supply of toxins, by supporting the organs of detoxification and drainage, and by stimulating the elimination of toxins from the matrix through complex homeopathic remedies. It is often said that a good detoxification and drainage is already half of any treatments. Note, the only time when it is not advisable to do a full detoxification and especially drainage is during cancer treatments, where one should instead support the organs of detoxification and work mainly on the NI system. Energy metabolism and the citric acid cycle catalysts. The citric acid cycle, also known as the Krebs cycle, after the German biochemist Hans Adolf Krebs, who discovered it in 1937, is a key component of the metabolic pathway by which all cells that utilize oxygen as part of their respiration process generate energy. This cycle takes place inside the power plant of the cells, which is called the mitochondria, and provides the energy for the whole organism. The primary function of the mitochondria is to convert energy found in nutrient molecules and, through a long chain of reactions, store it in the form of molecular energy packets known as ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Since mitochondria require oxygen to carry out energy conversion, when oxygen is unavailable or the cycle is inhibited, the body shifts to a very inefficient way of producing energy through the path of glycolysis, which not only produces far less energy but also produces lactic acid as a byproduct, which is a cause of pain and inflammation in the muscles. Different conditions like oxidative stress, illnesses, medicinal drugs, alcohol, food toxins, and heavy metals such as mercury can also alter the cycle chemistry, causing it to switch off energy production. A deficiency of one or more intermediate catalysts involved in the cycle and the consequent inhibition of normal energy production may cause a wide range of metabolic disturbances, including fatigue, immune system dysfunction, dementia, depression, behavioral disturbances, attention deficiency, muscle weakness, heart diseases, diabetes, skin rashes, hair loss, and eventually cancer. And in fact, it has been also known for decades that cancer cells only perform glycolysis to produce ATP. Impaired energy metabolism is also an indicator of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. In terms of therapy, restoring the Krebs cycle and mitochondrial function is the basic starter point of any chronic disease and cancer therapy. Studies have shown that administering specific Krebs cycle amino acid precursors and catalysts to stimulate energy production significantly reduces the symptoms associated with low cell energy production. Indications of low-dose unitary Krebs cycle catalysts: acidum citricum, neurological support, skeletal conditions, support calcium metabolism, digestive conditions. Acidum cisaconitum, early signs of aging, hyperreactivity, hypersensitivity. Acidum succinicum, stress, debility after illness, neutropenia during and post-chemotherapy. Acidum acetylglutaricum, functional nervous system support, stress, debility, general weakness. Acidum fumaricum, intoxication, liver and gallbladder conditions, food intolerance, metabolic syndrome. Acidum D-L-malicum, glucose dysmetabolism, diabetes, hyporeactivity, chronic conditions, general detoxification, rheumatic conditions. Barium oxalosuccinicum, general anti-age support, control of hormonal activity and impaired eyesight. Natrium oxalaceticum, vascular protection, immune system stimulation, susceptibility to infection. Natrium pyruvicum, slow metabolism, chronic conditions, food intoxication, skin conditions.